Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we will unbox something I shouldn't have bought this early, but I wasn't marked safe in today's Boxing Day sale, caved in, and drove to Westfield. The original plan was for me not to buy this until I monetize my channel. As you know, I recently just surpassed 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. However, I'm very far from, having 4,000 watch hours, which is what entails to be admitted to the YouTube partner program or for a channel to get monetized. But I believe that this baby will get me there, so I bought it anyway. Another backstory. From 2013, I've been using this MacBook Air. This was Jonathan's birthday gift for me 13 years, no, sorry, 7 years ago. And this got me through years of blogging and writing. It was perfect for me then. It still works perfectly now. However, the charger or the cord of its charger rather keeps on snapping off and fraying on me. I think I'm on my third charger now, if I'm not mistaken, and I couldn't possibly justify buying a fourth one. And so, enter Sharon. This is the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch with the M1 chip. And I believe that this is just the beast that I need to up my vlogging game. And this is what we will unbox together tonight. So please be with me. It's space gray. Oops. I'm gonna do this first. So we have here a USB-C to USB-C cable. And then a USB-C adapter. They've really changed the chargers now. That. Here's designed by Apple in California. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see what's inside. Just a manual. This is my fourth MacBook, guys, plus 2 iPads and an iMac, so I don't need the manual. Ooh, a space gray Apple stickers. That's new. I've always had just the white one. Nothing. So I'm just gonna return all of this. So I'm just gonna return all this and we can get ahead with the unboxing. I'll make sure that you see that. Unboxing or peeling off things from Apple products is one of the most satisfying things in the world, and I'm sure so many people agree with me on this. So, oops, let's start at the back. Oh. Okay. Open it for you. Oops. It wakes up by itself. Apparently, this is the new thing with the newer Macs now. So I'm gonna set it up with you. Okay. English. Let's scroll down to Australia. That one. Oops. And then, accessibility features. So I've skipped through the boring setup process, guys, and let's proceed to this one. So this is what you have now. That's what you get when, like once you open a setup MacBook. And then, so the keys for the 2020 MacBook compared to my Air, I feel it's more smoother. It also has a touch bar, so my 7-year-old one didn't have any. And so that's new for me. No, that's from... That's cool. So I haven't used the touch bar before. You also have the dock, and for the icons to magnify like this, you could customize that by right-clicking, and then you turn the magnification on and off. The off magnification is a bit boring. It's just that. But if you don't want to be playful, then certainly you could do that. So I'll just turn mine on. You could also adjust the position of this on the screen. Obviously, I would like the how it is at the moment, where it is in the bottom, but you could also put that on the left, for example, and it stays here. And then you can further change that to the right. I am left-handed, so maybe this will work for me. That's cool, but it's weird. So I'm gonna move that back to bottom. Yeah. What I haven't shown you earlier is I changed the desktop background. So to change, you just choose. Maybe I like a bit of color, so we'll change with that one. But I'm gonna set this up later properly, and I'm gonna film that as well, how to customize. But that's it for now. For the screensaver, I downloaded earlier the Flicklow one, but it doesn't work in this model. I don't know. And also set up the hot corners. So what I did with mine is the upper left is for the lock screen, and lower left is desktop, upper right is start screensaver, because otherwise, the screensaver does not kick in until 20 minutes of non-activity. So if you just quickly hide your screen, you can do that. And then the launch pad on the bottom right. So, that locked me out. And then those are the icons. If you don't want an icon in there, so say for example, I don't want news, you just right click and then you remove it from dock, so that what you have here are the only ones that you'd need. If you want to add something on the dock, you just open it and then just keep it in dock. And then so this is the rest. So say for example, if I want find my iPhone on the dock, you just right click, and then you put keep in dock. So even if I close this window, it remains there. Okay, but I don't need that at the moment, so I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna I think I need everything. I don't need maps here. So I'm gonna remove that as well. Okay. That as for the system, the MacBook itself, the body itself, it has two USB-C ports there. If you need other ports, I bought this Satechi. Sorry. I bought this Satechi multi-port adapter. So it has a couple of USB-C, two normal USBs, and then an SD and micro SD card readers, which I use a lot because of, from the card from my camera for vlogging. So that's $149 from JB Hi-Fi. And that's how you get around to connecting stuff on the USB port. Siri, so let's sample Siri. Hey Siri, please open my documents folder.
Okay, here's your documents folder.
See, it still doesn't have anything. Hey Siri, please open systems preferences. Please launch mission control. It works. Hey Siri, please switch to light mode. No.
Okay, I turned on light mode.
It did. Hey Siri, please switch back to dark mode.
Okay, I turned on dark mode.
That's cute, guys. I will customize this Mac further. So I think that is all for the setup. I will film the customization later. I'm gonna change my folder icons, my screensaver, and my desktop to make it personalized. But I'm gonna do that through the screen recording. So to record the screen of the MacBook, you just go to QuickTime. You click on that. Sorry, how do I do this? Okay, cancel. So it should be like open, and you right click again and new screen recording. That's the screen. You could actually minimize or maximize your screen if you want to capture like certain parts only. But I want to record the entire screen, and then you just press start recording if you want to do that. But I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I'm gonna have the MacBook microphone. Yep, that's for the screen recording. So see you later.